So guys, you saw the sunrise. It's still, there are some clouds, so it's gonna take a while until the sun comes up. We are literally on the edge here, and now it's 666 kilometers to home. 10 hours and 12 minutes. So let's get going. Long way to go. I'm leaving because a lot of people started to come, so let's leave anyways. By the time we can see the sun, it's going to be at least 7 or 7:30 because lots of clouds, and don't want to wait so long. I wanted to see this particular part, so saw it, happy with it, and now leaving to Bangalore, home sweet home. Here we come. Just a small trip guys, 3 days. Wanted to experience how a long solo journey was going to be, so did the exploring part. Super satisfied with this trip, and that's the sunset point. So the sun will come up here and go like this and set there. So this is the NH44 guys, and let me put on my gloves. And on the way, I couldn't show it yesterday, there were hundreds and hundreds of windmills. It was a beautiful sight to look at, so I'll show that to you today. And on the way there was another viewpoint also. I'm not going to stop, I'll just pass by and you can have a look at it. It's called some rock, I forgot the name. Yesterday we saw it from the other side. So let's continue the journey. And guys, we can see the sun here itself. Look at that orange ball in the sky. I don't know if the GoPro, it's in super view, so it might not look that good, but yeah, that's the sunrise. And the windmills start from here, and they're all rotating at such high speed. That means the wind is super strong here, and I can also feel that. Look at those mountains there. Guys, there's an R1 coming behind us now. The person was taking a U-turn. For some reason, if I see some super bike or supercar, I'll get excited. Three super bikes, one R1, one BMW S1000RR, and the other one I'm not sure. I still haven't gotten a chance to overtake them. Yeah, the other one is a Street Triple, I think, Triumph Street Triple. This is the Yamaha R1. Wow. That's the Daytona, sorry. From the back it looks exactly the same. Feels good to be riding like a group. They're right behind me now. That's the Daytona 675. We've lost easily 100 kilometers of fuel range because of the, you know what I'm talking about, because of our cruising speed. We've lost easily 100, I could do 350, but now we have done just 249. Wow. Oh ho, elephant in the not trunk, truck, elephant in the truck. Oi. Can you see this elephant in the truck? They're transporting it somewhere. I think we have to stop for fuel 2 more times. 2 more times, 1200, 1200, 2500 rupees, and I'll tell you the overall cost of fuel also for this 1700 kilometer trip. Today is getting even more better. We saw 3 super bikes in the morning, and right in front of me there are 2 Audi R8s, but these are slightly older. Oh, both are K registration. So nice. Oh, there are more cars, guys. There's a Ferrari also. There's a Porsche 911 Carrera. Wow, there's many more cars. Oh, this is a 911 Turbo. There's a red color Porsche in front. I think that all come for a drive. There's an orange Boxster also, Porsche Boxster. (911) Turbo is. Oh, it's the 458 Italia. Look at this. Look at this. I thought there will be nothing to vlog in the highway, but just look at this. So unexpected. Okay, that was fun. Now let's get going. Okay, one last fuel stop for the day. The range is showing 41, so we need to fill up, and I'll be ending the vlog here after the fuel stop. Thank you. Another 1200. So the total was 1780 kilometers. By the time I go back home, it will be 1780. And the odometer also 5000 kilometers done on my BMW F850. So that's it, guys. It's going to be just the highway. I don't want to keep dragging it anymore. So if you have liked the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. The last 15-20 seconds I'll be adding a few pictures that I've taken during this trip. Do check that out too. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.